What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna go ahead and clean this dirty girl. So a lot of people like to use that drive-through car wash, which is totally fine. You can still use it if you want, but if you didn't know, over time it's going to create scratches on your vehicle that's going to look like this, and it's going to cost you even more to get it waxed and buffed out. And sometimes those car wash places damages vehicles, breaks windows, and it can cause a headache. Does it happen all the time? No, not really. For peace of mind, I like to wash my own cars, and eventually I am going to be making this into my overlanding rig, which means I'm going to have a tent and all that stuff, a bumper, and once you have that, you definitely can't take it through a car wash. So the bundle from Salty Captain that I got is the 4x4 20-piece kit. And what that piece comes with is these 2 buckets, and the buckets also come with these 2 plastic pieces that you put at the bottom so that all the dirt and grime falls through these holes. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it just settles in the bottom. And with those 4-gallon buckets, they also come with a lid. So once you're done using all the stuff, you can literally just close it up, make sure nothing gets in there, and put it away. So now let's go through the fun stuff that comes with it. So it comes with this drying towel. It comes with this hand wash rag. And then it comes with 5 of these microfiber towels. If you guys look at that, they're all color coded, and each color is for specific use. So for the red one, it's the interior, fabric, and upholstery. The green one is the dashboard and console. The gray one is for the exterior, body, and paint. The brown one is for wheels and tires. And lastly, the purple one is for glass and mirrors. And as we go down the line, we got this little tire shiner right here. So this goldish yellow one is the wash itself, so that's the soap. And then the next one, we got glass cleaner. This one, I really want to try out. This is the drip dry, and it's the post-wash hydro coat. So what this does is, I believe, is where if you spray it and wipe it down, you put the water on it and it'll just kind of bead off. So the next one is the Superior Interior Cleaner, which this says that it'll clean plastic, vinyl, or rubber, and it's a spot removal, and it also cleans textiles. Super dope. So the next one is the Grease Attack, which I'm gonna be using this a lot, especially in the engine bay. And then this one, to keep the shoes looking nice, it's the Tire Shine. And of course, it's gonna be used with this. Can't wait to see what it looks like, because you guys saw in the B-roll, tires are dirty. This right here, this is the Captain's Musket, and it literally looks like an old musket from way back in the day. This is where the hose is gonna go. The bottom is where the soap is gonna be put in. And then the tip is gonna be attached right here. And before that, you don't just screw it on. It comes with these little O-rings, rubber O-rings, and you're gonna have to install that first before putting any of this on. I forgot to mention that it comes with 4 of these that you can attach to any of these, but you don't put it on this one because this is the soap that goes inside this. Okay, now let's go. All right guys, so there you have it. I'll put some photos up in the video because it's like 9:15 and the light's not that good, but the truck is done. I'm really glad I got this because it's pretty much all in one basket. But there is one thing that I wish that I've gotten. I got that little cannon because I thought it was cool, but I should have gotten the bigger one just because it's a truck and the soap ran through pretty quick. So I had to change it maybe twice per each side. But besides that, it was super easy to do. And I also recommend having a second towel with you to dry off because one does super well, but for a truck this big, you're gonna need a second one for sure. So thank you guys for watching, and if you guys do like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'm gonna try to see if I can get a discount code for anyone that's interested in getting this, and if it is, I'll link it down below. Thank you guys again for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button, hit that notification button, because now that my truck is clean, it's time for us to get it dirty because I have a couple trips planned for this hunting season. So thank you guys again, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.